pull out the center console, you just pull and grip it right here. And just pull out. So there's 3 clips that you need to move. One over here, one over here, and one over here. They're just screw clips. Mine are gone since I'm too lazy to remove them. And then after that, you need to pull these off. Just basically stuck on by like the rubber mounts. So once you get that, you need to pull the lining out, pull it out and down. And then you really can't see anything, but you stick your hand here, and there's 2 clips that you'll push together and you'll pull out the housing. I broke one of the clips, so you want to be careful. Actually, I think I broke both of them. Yeah, I broke both of them. You'll have to pull the clips like a grip like this, you push on them and pull out. But you don't want to break the sides. Hold on. You can't really see it, but you gotta pull the clip by your 2 fingers like this. You squeeze it out and you pull out, and then you'll just pull the bulb out. And I just have one of those super bright LED bulbs. And all you do is you reinsert by pushing one tab in and then the other tab in. Make sure it fits. Now make sure it's in firmly, because it does tend to fall out sometimes. And I had some lights like crap out on me. So make sure it's snug. Replace the lining by putting all the gaps in first. Make sure you push this handle in first, or it'll give you some trouble. This handle, make sure you push it in, and then just push everything over into tabs. And that's it. I just leave the clips out because they really don't help. The car stays on pretty well.